Some of you want your light language to come on. Some of you want to understand your light language. Your heart hears light language, Holy One, and registers its meaning in energy that is most optimal for your body to process. When I speak light language, it is universe conveying. Yes, it is universe sharing information with itself, you, me. And everyone hears differently. I need to just speak to you in this language, please. Please hear me with your heart. Yane ya kokoa, yane sa utoa, yane ya kokoai, ianatawa dea tau kokoa, esene ianakawa, utoa neneawa. Tene iana taoa, tene iana takawa, uto koko anene awa, iana sea. Allow your breath. Tukuku ane iana sawa, teke iana kokoa, ura sakane ana ea, atakane iana koa. Toko ane iakawa, ura kaka ane iaraka sukutu ane ianaka u. Ianaka u. And allow the breath again, please. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now bring the focus back slowly, please. Gently. Just allowing the understanding of the focus coming back to the physical eyes. When you're ready to open them, you're going to open them. If you don't want to, you don't have to yet.